Lose up to 10 kilos in just 1 week with this incredible juice. Your friends will think you've done a liposuction. I'll guide you step by step so you can learn how to prepare it. Welcome to Recipes for You. Let's get started. For this natural method, we'll need 3 lemons. Wash them well, cut them in half, and extract the juice in a small container. The lemon has many properties, but one of the most prominent is its ability to help in weight loss. Who hasn't heard about the famous lemon diet, or lemon water, in fasting to lose weight? Many people choose to drink lemon water in fasting to improve their digestion and lose weight. But does it really work? The answer is yes. Lemon contributes to weight loss because even though it's acidic, once digested, it's not as strong as it used to be. The lemon's acidity, which is in the body, is alkalized, making it easy to eliminate toxins through urine. It also increases urinary frequency, helping to combat the retention of fluids and to expel toxins. Once you've extracted the juice, reserve it for the end. Now, take the lemon peels, cut them into small pieces, and reserve them. Lemon peels contain very few calories, just 29 per 100 grams, and are not good for your health. This makes them an excellent ally to lose weight. The second ingredient we'll need is a piece of ginger. Peel and cut the ginger into small pieces. This root is rich in compounds like gingerol, which helps combat problems such as sore throat, colds, and digestive discomfort. This makes it a key ingredient in our recipe. Also, reserve it. Finally, we'll use some cinnamon sticks, which are a great help to control blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful ally to lose weight. Now that we know the benefits of these ingredients, add the lemon peels to a medium pot, along with the ginger pieces and 3 cinnamon sticks. Add half a liter of water, cover, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Once the water boils, add the ginger and cinnamon sticks. After this time, turn off the heat and strain the mixture into a small container. Using a spoon, stir well to remove all the liquid and remove the fiber. Finally, add the juice of the 3 lemons we reserved at the beginning and mix well so that the ingredients are completely integrated. And that's it. Our weight loss accelerator juice is ready. You should take between 1 and 2 cups of lemon juice. If you have a large jar, you can use a large jar to store the juice. If you have a large jar, you can use a large jar. You can take between 1 and 2 glasses before going to bed for a week. This juice will replace your dinner. Don't consume other foods at night. If you follow these steps and keep exercising, you will lose weight quickly and you will be grateful forever.